What is today known as CEPSA Lube Oil Blending Plant started out as Lubrisur, one of CEPSA's subsidiaries which engaged in the production of lube-based oils and waxes, and in blending and packaging oils. The plant is in the petrochemical complex at CEPSA's Gibraltar San Roque refinery, located in San Roque, Cádiz, a strategic enclave because of its proximity to the ports of Gibraltar and Algeciras. Algeciras is Spain's leading port and is where the main world sea routes for cargo converge. The plant was inaugurated as Lubrisur on the 25th of July, 1976, with an investment of 3 billion pesetas. Output capacity was of 135,000 tons of base oils a year for the production of lubricants and 15,000 tons of waxes a year. On the 1st of July 2010, Lubrisur's lube oil blending plant became part of CEPSA Lubricantes. In this way, the development, blending, packaging, and marketing of lubricant oils was united in just one company, which was a gigantic step in CEPSA Lubricantes' efforts to continue to lead a very competitive market, where it is in the forefront on its own merits. The plant currently has an excellent, highly skilled team involved in its processes, which is essential to the search for excellence and quality and to maximize productivity. A total number of 116 people work at the plant, most of whom are the plant's own staff. Personnel from specialist outsourcing companies are only used for certain processes or when activity peaks. In order to improve their skills, all the plant's workers participate in a yearly training program. The lubricant manufacturing process at the plant follows clearly defined patterns which can be divided into 4 different stages: receipt of raw materials, blending, packaging, and shipping. Most of the bulk base oils consumed at the LOBP are received from CEPSA's lube oil refinery through a specific network of pipes. These top-quality base oils are obtained by means of special oil refining and distillation processes. Specific base oils, used for specific lubricants, are received by bulk truck at the automatic bulk unloading bay. Next to it, there are different unloading bays to unload the high turnover bulk additives. This is a robust, highly automated, foolproof process entirely managed by the automatic control system and with minimal contamination risk, thanks to the use of piggable pipes. Before unloading the raw material bulk trucks, samples are taken and sent to the plant's laboratory in order to verify the conformity of the product. There are more than 200 low-turnover additives which are received in drums. The blending of products takes place in the blending area, which is fully operated by a state-of-the-art automated control system. The dosing of bulk base oils and additives is controlled through 12 simultaneous metered blending, or SMB systems, using high accurate mass flow meters. The dosing of additives in drums is done using the drum decanting unit, or DDU. To facilitate the handling of additives, a drum heating oven is available. By using the DDU and the oven, about 20,000 drums per year come out of the plant in perfect condition after they've been emptied and cleaned inside with hot base oil so that they can be recycled, thus reducing the impact on the environment. Fully automatic piggable pipes are used in the decanting of base oils and additives in the blending area. Pigging is a fully automatic operation by which the pig element is pushed pressurized air inside the pipe, moving the product to the final destination and leaving the pipe totally clean and prepared to pump a new product without any risk of contamination. In this way, the finished product conserves all its features and properties according to our very own formulation standards. A decisive element for the good performance of the blending area is the circular manifold, which connects the 100 pipes from the finished storage tanks located on the external perimeter of the manifold to the pipes from the blending room, filling machinery, and bulk loading bays, which are located in the center of the manifold. At the plant's electrical power station, there are several frequency modulators which regulate the pumps in order to provide the correct product flow to the different processes, giving the operation great flexibility. The control room is the technological heart of the plant. From From there, the lubricant blending processes are operated, as is the loading of oils in bulk trucks and remote decanting to blending kettles. Generally speaking, no one has to physically go to any of the operating areas. This room is equipped with the best available technology for control systems, which means that many processes are systematically carried out in the same way. At the same time, it also means that there can be rapid intervention in the manufacturing processes if there's any kind of incident. The control system could be accessed through the internet, which implies that control of the process can be accessed and managed from any workstation with an internet connection, both at the plant or outside it. The packaging area is equipped with filling lines. Before the process starts, the system takes a sample from the first packaged unit in order to analyze it in the laboratory. Packaging does not continue until the lab results are obtained, and they are in order. All the filling lines are equipped with a high accuracy scale and a control system in order to verify the weight of every unit filled. Inkjet units print the batch code number on all the containers, thus making products traceable. On the packaging line for 1, 4, and 5-liter cans, the packaging process starts by depalletizing the empty containers. These go along the conveyors to the labeler. Then they go to the filler, where the product is measured out. When they leave the filler, they go to the capping section, and then to weight control and to the cap detection section. If the weight is wrong or the cap is not on properly, the can is rejected from the packaging line. After that, the cans go to the wraparound machine, and then through a printing system which identifies the product in the box. Next, the boxes are weighed one by one. If a can is missing, the box is rejected. Lastly, the boxes go into the palletizer and from there to the warehouse. On the packaging line for the new 20-liter kegs, first the containers are filled and weight controlled, then the top cover is put on, the labels are stuck on, and finally the kegs are palletized using an industrial manipulator. The packaging line for 1,000-liter containers accounts for about 50% of the total volume of packaged product at the plant. IBCs are put into the input section of the filling machine. Then they are moved automatically to the filling section. They are filled under weight control, and then they are sent to the warehouse on a forklift with a movement protocol which ensures that the goods are moved safely without incidents. At the packaged product loading area, there are 5 automatic loading bays. A barcode reading system is available to control shipments. The loading order is sent from the SAP information system through a Wi-Fi network to the barcode reader, which controls the products as they are being loaded. Bulk shipment of the finished product is carried out in the automatic loading bay in a totally safe automated operation, which takes about 20 minutes to fill a tank truck. The plant warehouse is just an intermediate warehouse from which the product is sent to the automatic distribution warehouse. The automatic warehouse is near the plant. It is equipped with the latest technology for storage and has a silo warehouse with an area of 4,000 square meters, a height of 22 meters, and 9 loading bays. Its main feature is that it is totally automatically managed, which reduces the risk of human error, speeds up the entrance and dispatch of goods, and improves the control of stocks. The warehouse has 6 stacker cranes which pick up and deposit the goods on the 14 loading levels on each of the 12 aisles. This means that 1 pallet can come in and go out per minute. It also has a picking area for specific customer orders. The plant is equipped with state-of-the-art technology to protect both people and the facilities. A yearly safety plan is developed for the production center in order to minimize the risks for both the people working at the plant and the community around it. Accident prevention is one of its fundamental elements. Emergencies are simulated every month. In addition, an audited system for work permission and order and cleaning is used to prevent risks. In every new project which is conducted, its effects on safety are taken into account so that the improvements in the processes also have a favorable impact on safety. Thanks to all these efforts, the accident rate has been very low in recent years. The refinery, and consequently the lube oil blending plant, has its own permanent fire service which is fully equipped to deal with any type of emergency. To guarantee the quality of the products and services supplied to the market and to meet customer needs, all the products manufactured are analyzed at the refinery's central laboratory by highly qualified staff. The product may only be dispatched by the plant if it complies with all the specifications and has obtained the quality certificate. A secondary laboratory, located at the plant, analyzes a sample of the first unit of each batch packaged and of each load of bulk product in the bulk trucks to check that the product, certified by the central lab, did not suffer any type of contamination when it was transferred from its holding tank to the filling machine or the bulk truck. This robust quality control system implies that we have an extremely low complaint rate thanks to the very quality of the products and the procedures implemented to handle them. All the plant's processes for manufacturing marine, automotive, and industrial oils are certified according to the highest quality international standards. The environmental impact is considered in all the projects developed at the plant in order to reduce it to a minimum. All the legal regulations and best available technologies for the environment are applied. Our environmental management system, certified according to the ISO 14001 standard, promotes the use of technologies which are especially sensitive to the reduction of residual emissions, energy consumption, and waste generation. Today, the plant for manufacturing lube base oils has global production of some 200,000 tons of base oils a year and some 30,000 tons of waxes. Its blending capacity is more than 170,000 tons a year. Thanks to the policies of continuous improvement and the search for excellence followed at CEPSA Lube Oil Blending Plant, a large number of investment projects and operating improvements have been carried out. These have placed the plant in the technological vanguard and firmly guarantee its position, making it one of the most modern, reliable, and competitive facilities in Europe, with an excellent outlook for the future.